Hello everybody and welcome to my tutorial of the beautiful Glam Ponytail. Here we go. She has amazing hair, my beautiful model here today. Super thick, super long, and also a little bit on the frizzy side as well, as she has got naturally curly hair. So what I'm going to do to start off with is I'm going to use my flat iron and I'm going around her hairline and I'm smoothing out the frizz. That way when I go to pop this hair up in a ponytail, it's going to have a smooth outside edge and those little baby hairs are going to be all flattened down. So now I'm going to pop this in a pony, just that back section, as you can see where I've parted out. And I'm going to comb this up and spraying with the beautiful volume up hair wax slash hairspray. And now a little bit of hairspray, comb, a little bit more spray to get that nice smooth result before you tie that ponytail. Now I'm going to use an elastic band with 2 pins on the end. I pop my bobby pin in first and then I swing around the elastic band and then I secure it into the scalp again. So it's a great way to get a ponytail without any lumps and bumps. Now I'm just going to go over by spraying the volume up and smoothing all around, and now I'm going to add the sides into the ponytail. So with my small tail comb, I'm smoothing back this section and adding it to the ponytail. These combs are perfect for this smoothing. And now we're going to do the other side. And once we've done the both sides, we are going to do the same thing with an elastic band and 2 bobby pins. Pop the pin in on the top, swing around the elastic band, and then pop that last pin into the scalp. There you go. Now we're going to smooth out that frizzy hair on the very top section of this ponytail piece with the flat iron. And now we are going to add some volume into the top. So I pop the powder in and I tease with my favorite teasing comb. I puff with this texture powder right at the roots and then I tease. And this helps the teasing stay in, last longer, and if you have trouble with your teasing, it's a great idea to use this. It will make your teasing experience and teasing so much better. So with this tail comb also, it's got little different sized teeth, so it also helps when you tease the hair as well. So I'm just going to tease that whole section of hair and flip it over. And now I'm going to use my comb and I'm going to use a little bit of volume up spray and start to smooth the top layer of the tease section. Now I'm wanting to just take out the teasing of that top layer so you can't see it. It's nice and smooth on top. And that way you'll still have a lot of volume in there, but the top is nice and smooth and you have that beautiful rounded shape on top. Now I'm going to gather it all together with my metal tail comb, lift up any bits as needed, and there we go, another elastic band with the bobby pin, and we're going to pop that in, swing around the elastic band and attach it into the scalp again. And we have secured that whole back ponytail. Now another great comb you can use is this metal pronged one, and you can just lift up and once that ponytail is secured, give a nice shape. Rightio, so around to the face now, once again just smoothing out with the flat iron, and then I'm using my volume up to smooth down that hair and drape it back and over to the ponytail. now I'm going to use my flat iron and I'm going to smooth that end and I'm going to wrap it around that elastic band, and I use a little bit of hairspray to seal the ends, and then I'm going to roll this piece of hair that's got the hairspray on it, a little bit more hairspray to attach it and stick it to the rest of the hair. Alright, so now the other side, I've already flat ironed it, I'm smoothing it out and draping it over the ponytail. I now use my hands to secure that into position, a nice soft swoop around the face. Once it's in position, I will spray it and secure it. These little clips are fabulous because they don't dent the hair, they don't mark the hair, but they can keep hair flat in a position while you're styling. Really, really great clips to work with. Now, once again, with that little end, I'm spraying it and I'm going to wrap it all the way around that ponytail to give that beautiful kind of smooth glam look. I've attached this last piece with a little bobby pin, and that little tail, see how I'm just going to tuck that underneath there. It's a really good little hidey spot for it. Now for the ponytail. Alright, so my favorite spray, I'm spraying with White Sands Liquid Texture Spray, and then I'm using my medium barrel wand to do the curls. So I am going to wind the whole ponytail in all the same direction, each time spraying with the liquid texture spray before I go through with the wand. Now, as you can see, I'm just flat winding this as well. So spray with the liquid texture spray, which gives a lovely hold, great shine, and it's also a heat protectant as well. And there we go, we've done the whole ponytail, all the same direction. And now for the combing out time. So I love this comb. It's a beautiful, big, wide tooth comb. And I'm just going to gently comb through this ponytail to break up all those curls. Now my favorite puff powder. I'm going to puff this right at the roots. And then I'm going to tease. Okay, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to do the whole ponytail, puffing the powder at the roots and teasing a couple of inches out from that ponytail. And the powder is going to help keep that teasing in and also create a great shape for your pony. Alright, little tip, see these little U-pins? You can use that to keep the hair up instead of using a big long slide clip, and it won't dent the hair or flatten it. Alright, here we go, a bit of fast motion, fast mode going on here for you. So puffing the powder and teasing out from the roots. And now we're going to take those little U-pins out gently, and then we are going to work at this beautiful volume pony. My other favorite comb that I love to work with, those little prongs are so good to help to smooth the top layer of teasing out, but keeping the shape. Now, see how I'm lifting up the ponytail while I comb down, and that will help for you not to drag down on the pony and lose your shape. Now I've got a little bit of shine spray I'm spraying just to help comb through the hair if you find you're having trouble with a little bit more knotty hair or a little bit of it's not going through smoothly. Just spray a little bit of that sparkler on and it's beautiful just to comb through and make it easier for you. Now I'm just working with that wave that I put in. I can really see the grooves and the wave there, so I am now holding the hair and combing that wave even more in. And now I'm going to start to spray that. I love the volume up because it will give you the smoothness if you're having trouble with flyaways or that hair that's static. and this will really help smooth the hair down but keep it flexible. Once you've done that, then you can start to go in with your hairspray, and I love the White Sands Infinity hairspray because it's just fabulous. It gives a nice shine, it's really good hold. It's my go-to for glam waves or glam ponies. So I spray this all over, and I use the can to round out those little crests, and now I'm working at the very ends just to give that really nice shape on those very ends, and smoothing it and combing it and spraying it into shape. Now, my other secret tip, these little U-pins are going to use as a little like jumping board, so I'm just going to latch them into that ponytail. They're going to stand out like a diving board, and that is going to hold up that ponytail so it just sticks out even further and lasts. So the final little touches here with the volume up and the sparkler shine spray, and there we go, our finished look, our beautiful glam ponytail. Super shiny, super glam. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to create this look. Bye!